Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by launching Picsart and importing the image you want to edit. Choose crop and the proper aspect ratio so composition is set. This avoids wasted edits later. Once done, duplicate the base layer so you keep an original copy, then run Auto Enhance to get a neutral starting point. This gives you consistent exposure and color to work from. Make sure to name the project or note the original file name so you can return if you need the untouched photo. Now you'll refine the image. Isolate the subject with Remove Background or the Eraser tool, then create a mask to protect edges. Use adjustments, brightness, contrast, curves for tonal shaping. Curves gives you the most control over highlights and shadows. For blemishes or distractions, use Clone and Heal on a duplicated layer so you can tweak opacity later. Once satisfied, add a soft vignette or selective sharpening to draw the eye. These subtle moves make the edit feel professional without overprocessing. Finish by adding any overlays, text, or stickers on separate layers so you can reposition or hide them. Use blend modes and lower opacity to integrate elements naturally. When ready, export as JPG at 80-100% for web or PNG if you need transparency. Save a copy in Picsart project format to preserve layers. If something looks off after export, check color profile differences or toggle Auto Enhance off and re-export. That fix resolves most color shift problems and preserves your intended look.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.